Hi friends, how are you? By blessings of the God, you are doing well. This is Dr. A B JENA, Senior Assistant Professor, PG Department of Business Management, Fakir Modi University, Bhasan Bihar, Balasore, Odisha. So once again, I am welcoming to all of you to Dr. A B JENA classes, and today we are going to discuss the very interesting topic, and this topic is related to the financial management, and this discussion will be very useful to the UG, PG students so far as the commerce, management, PMR subjects are concerned. Okay, so I am hopeful that you will enjoy in this video. So without delay, we will start our discussion. So today's discussion is that is the dividend and what are the different types of dividends. So dear friends, so what is the meaning of a dividend? Yes, so dividend it is the, or it refers to, dividend refers to the part of the profit of a company, CO, it stands for company, which is distributed or paid by a company among the shareholders. Okay, so far as we have already discussed the different types of shares, so I have already posted the separate videos, the different types of shares, and definitely I will have the request, kindly you see the previous videos on the different types of shares and the difference between the preferred shares and the equity shares. Okay, so let's see the dividend decisions of the company, how much the dividend will be paid to the shareholders, I mean the equity shareholders, and how much profit will be retained for the business. So normally there are two types of shareholders. The first one is equity shareholders, and equity shareholders are the owner of the company, and they will not get the fixed rate of the dividend on the basis of the earnings or the profit of the company. So equity shareholder will get the dividend. Okay, and this will be declared in the meeting, annual general meeting, and which will be declared by the board of directors. And the second one category of shareholders, so they are the preferred shareholder, and preferred shareholder will get the fixed rate of dividend. So again I will have the request, dear friends, so you may see what is the meaning of preferred share and what are the different types of preferred shares. I have already posted one video related to the preferred share. So the dividend is, what is this? So dividend is the part of the profit of a company which is distributed or paid by a company among the shareholders. Okay, dear friends, you can take the screenshot of this video lecture. Yes, so I have written, so there are the 7 types of the forms of dividend. So first one is that is the cash dividend. So cash dividend, what is the meaning of cash dividend? The dividend which is paid to the shareholders, or a company will pay the dividend to the shareholders in the form of the cash. If the profit is more or the working capital is more, then the company will prefer to pay the cash dividend to the shareholders. Okay, the second one dividend is that is the scrip or the bond dividend. So DIV, it stands for dividend. Okay, scrip or bond dividend, what is this? The dividend which is paid to the shareholders in the form of a dividend. Sorry, the dividend which is paid to the shareholder in the form of a dividend, in the form of a bond, and the bond holder will get the fixed rate of interest. Okay, so third one category of dividend is the property dividend. So property dividend, what is this? The dividend which is paid to the shareholders in the form of some assets of the company. And normally, let's take for instance, the washing machine company will pay the dividend, okay, in the form of assets, means in washing machine. Similarly, the TV company, okay, will pay the dividend in the form of that is the television set to the shareholders. So next one dividend is the stock dividend, and the property dividend, it's not very popular or much popular in India. Okay, so next one category of dividend is the stock dividend. What is the meaning of stock dividend? The dividend or the stock dividend which is paid to the shareholders in the form of shares. I mean the company will pay either the bonus shares or the equity share. Yes. So next one, types of or the forms of dividend is that is the composite dividend. What is this composite dividend? The dividend which is given or paid to the shareholders in the form of cash as well as the property. So in this situation, the company will pay the dividend, okay, in both the way, in the form of cash. Some portion of dividend will be paid on the form of cash, and the remaining the portion of the dividend will be paid to the shareholders in the form of a property. So next one, dividend, let's say that is the interim dividend. What is this? The dividend which is paid or the dividend which is given to the shareholders before the AGM. AGM means what is this? Annual general meeting. AGM means it's the annual general meeting of the shareholders, as well as so the final financial statement. So it may be the profit and loss account or the balance sheet. So before finalization of that is the positional statement as well as the income statement, the company will pay or will give the dividend to the existing shareholders before the annual general meeting of the company and the final financial statement of the company. Yes. Last but not the least, what is this? The final dividend. What is this? The dividend which is declared. The dividend which is declared in the annual general meeting by the board of directors for the payment of dividend to the shareholders after closing the financial year. Okay, dear friends, you know the financial year consists of 12 months. So these are the different forms of dividend. So once again I am repeating the first one is cash dividend, second one is scrip dividend, third one is that is the property dividend, next one is stock dividend. Okay, like this. So last but not the least is the final dividend. Okay, so dear friends, once again I am requesting to all of you, you can take the screenshot of this video lecture. Okay, so thanks a lot to all of you. So आज के लिए इतना. Again so हमारा मुलाकात होगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. ओके, तब तक के लिए बाय. Once again thanks a lot to all of you.